Now the first step is to extract the data from the data sources. The data sources could be your Excel sheets, it could be any of the external system that you have or any online service. There are various sample data sources available. Some of them I have listed, which I'm using most of the times. Kegel, you can download the sample data of various companies. People are sharing it. You can download and use that data to practice and to understand that how the Power BI works. Work Wednesday is also one of the sources of the data available, where every Wednesday people are sharing data set, asking people to make the reports or dashboards using Power BI or Tableau or anything. Then is the open data by government. Every country in the world has open data policy. Whichever country you are living into, you might have the open data available for you to download and analyze. I'm living in Oman right now, so in Oman we have opendata.om. So open data Oman. If I talk about data sets, so these are free data sets which are available for you to download. So you can download the lawyers and law firms in Oman, Omani domain names, telecom subscription, population in Oman. All data is available freely for you to use and analyze. And then is Workout Wednesday. Click on Power BI. So it has various options available here. If you click here Power BI, so these are all the challenges, latest challenges in Power BI. You can use these challenges to practice your Power BI visualization techniques. So these are all the data sets which are available. In Kegel, you can have various data sets. If I go here to data sets, Tesla supercharged location globally, converting casual riders into annual members, finance related data sets, programming related data sets, for example, Red Bull and heart rates. These data sets are freely available. You can download. You can also use the sample data in Power BI. So if you go here to Power BI, so you will click here, try sample data set. Then our forums, there are various forums. You can also use your own personal data. You might have your personal data, so you can use that, or you can use any random data generated in Excel. In Excel also you have the option to generate the random data. These are various functions which are available. Array is there, random data is there. I'll not be going for that. I'll be using Kaggle. All right, so I have downloaded some sample data, and this sample data has data from retail, from supermarket, and some opportunities are there, and some telecom subscriptions in Oman. So these are from various resources. I have used Kaggle also, Workout Wednesday also, and I have used the open data in Oman. So from open data in Oman, I have downloaded the telecom subscriptions. From Kaggle, I have downloaded some data sets for the supermarket. I have used one of the challenges from the Workout Wednesday.